Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zillow Premier Agent for real estate leads, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Zillow Premier Agent for real estate leads, begin by visiting the Zillow Premier Agent website. Log into your account using your email and password. If you have not created an account, follow the prompts to sign up as a real estate agent. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the lead settings section on your dashboard. Click on Lead Settings to access your preferences. Here, you will configure how you receive leads. Select your desired lead response time. Choose the settings that best fit your business hours. Next, go to the Profile section. Add or update your profile picture to make it more appealing. Include a catchy bio that highlights your expertise in the real estate market. Ensure your contact information is accurate. Then, scroll down to the Service Areas section. Define your target market by adding specific zip codes or neighborhoods. This step ensures you attract relevant leads in your desired area. Now, navigate to the Reviews section. Encourage past clients to leave positive reviews of your services. This can significantly boost your credibility. Next, explore the advertising options provided. Select a budget that aligns with your marketing strategy. You can choose between different packages available. Once your budget is set, proceed to set your advertising preferences. Select the property types you wish to focus on. Now, activate your Zillow advertising campaigns. Monitor your campaigns regularly to see which ones perform best. Adjust your budgets and targeting as needed based on performance. Finally, check the Analytics section often. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.